I just got 100 DHT token right on my account, and on this mining platform we convert DHT tokens down to Tone and withdraw straight to our Tone wallet. If you stay with me to the end of this video, I can show you how you can get 100 DHT token every hour for yourself. If you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how withdrawals are made right on this mining platform. So if you've not watched the video on how this platform works, I'm going to link the video right up here, or I'm going to attach the link to the video below the description or on the pinned comment section of this particular video. So stay with me to the end of this video so you can see how this platform works and how you can mine and earn every single day using this website. As a proper introduction, if you're coming across my channel for the first time or you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Joaquin, and so what I do on this platform is that I show you various ways which you can make money online. And in exchange, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. So without no much talk, let's dive into the tutorials of today. Right now, as you can see, I have over 100 DHT tokens on my account. So, and it's asking me to claim tokens. So what I just want to do is to come down to claim tokens, and you can see that I have actually successfully claimed 100 DH tokens for myself. I have a total balance of 30,300 DH tokens right on my account. So when you come over here, you can actually see the total balance I have on my DH token. Now, for you to be able to earn 100 DH tokens for yourself every single hour, what you just have to do is to come down where it shows upgrade miner. So when you come over to this interface, you can see that before you be able to get 100 DH tokens for yourself, it will be up to 3 hours. And when you come down here, you can see that before you can be able to get 100 DH tokens for yourself, it will be up to 2 hours. And when you come down to this last one, you can see that you'll be getting 100 DH tokens for yourself within 1 hour. Now, to unlock this, you will need a tone of 4.2 tone to be able to unlock this to get 100 DH tokens for yourself every single hour, and this will last for 30 days. Now, before you can go ahead to unlock this, make sure you have about 4.2 tone on your Tone wallet. So as you can see right now on my Tone wallet, I have over $13.3 on my account. That is equivalent to 4.9 tone. Okay, so right now I have over 4.2 tone on my Tone wallet, so I can go ahead to purchase this mining time. So the next thing I want to do is to come down to where it says buy 4.2 tone. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you over to this interface where it's asking you to please ensure you have at least 4.2 tone in your wallet before confirming. Okay, so make sure you have at least 4.2 tone in your Tone wallet to confirm this transaction. So the next thing I want to do is to come down to click on confirm purchase. So it's going to take you over to your Tone wallet. All you just need to do is to confirm this transaction, and this will automatically give access to you on your account. So as you can see right here, it says 4.2 tone sent. So let's go back to our account and confirm this transaction. And so right now we just purchased this mining time of 1 hour, which is the 4.2 tone. So let's go back to our account and start mining on this platform. So after you might have unlocked the mining tone for 1 hour, what you just need to do is to come back to your account and click on start mining. Then automatically this will start mining for you for every hour you come into this platform. You just have to come down to claim your tokens every single hour. To know the total amount you have on your account in dollar, what you just want to do is to times the amount of DH balance you have with the current price of your DHT on your account. So what this simply means is that you'll be timesing 30,300, that is my DH balance, times the DH current price, which is the 0.77. So what you just have to do is to go over to your calculator to know how much this is. So what you'll be doing right on your calculator according to my own balance is 30,300 times 0.77. So what you'll be having right on your account is $23,331 right on your account. So in looking at my dashboard, this is a total of $23,331 right on my account. What I just showed you in this video are the basics of what you need to know about this mining platform. Once you go ahead implementing it, your mining speed is going to increase, and with that you should be making a lot of money for yourself when you convert your earnings or your DHT tokens into Tone and withdraw them with your Tone wallet. However, on this mining platform, withdrawals will be available in the next 60 days. So it is advisable you upgrade to increase your mining speed to accumulate a lot of tokens before this mining platform launches. So that's how to increase your mining speed on this platform and earn every single hour. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. You can as well join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you a specific ways you can use to make money online. See you on my next video and keep winning.